Grab your smartphone, turn it on, and play the 30-second video, and you can start earning money right away. You can get up to $4 for watching one video and $400 for watching up to 100 videos per day. That is completely amazing. Don't worry, this is very simple for newbies who have never earned money online. The good news is that this is accessible globally in all countries around the world and is 100% free. I'll walk you through the sign up process and the videos you should watch to earn the most money. Additionally, I'll share some special information with you that will enable you to triple your current income. Therefore, be sure to pay attention and finish watching this video. I'd like you to check out this video. You can make about $4 by watching this 4-minute video on its own. You can also watch a variety of other videos on this brand new website on your computer or your smartphone. So please pay close attention and make sure you don't miss anything important. First things first, I want you to go to gg2u.org, which is a 100% free website that you can join immediately. Simply completing surveys, playing games, and even watching videos can get you started earning money. It is one of the simplest and easiest techniques that anyone can use without any prior experience. The best feature of this website is that simply creating a free account will earn you $1. Just enter your first name, email address, username, and password. We're going to click the downward arrow on the country section. Here, you can see that they welcome people from all around the world. With this global opportunity, it doesn't matter where you're from in the world, you can still make money online. After entering all of your information, simply click this Accept the Terms and Condition, then click the orange Sign Up button. By simply creating a free account, you can obtain $1 for free here. The fact that there are numerous payment choices is another factor in why I adore this website. Every day, you can receive payment through PayPal, get compensated in Bitcoin or another cryptocurrency, or receive some other gift cards. Don't worry, if you come from one of the countries without a PayPal account, you can still receive your money via bank transfer, Skrill, Paytm, Gcash, or any other method of payment. Compared to other websites, where they provide between 40% and 60%, they offer a very high rate ranging from 65% to 85%. After completing the registration process on this website, you will see Welcome to GG2U here. They are very lucrative source for survey routers and offer wall, where you can also watch videos and receive payouts of up to 65% or even 85%. As you can see, we credit you $1 for every 100 coins. On this website, you will be paid in coins, and after every 100 coins, you can convert them to actual money. You can receive $1 for every 100 coins, and after you reach $7 or 700 coins, you can start withdrawing your money. Simply scroll down below and click the Click to Continue link to proceed to the next page. To get started earning, here are some things that are very easy to do. It says here, and once more, keep in mind that $1 is equal to 100 coins. On this website, there are a ton of offers you can do, and by completing them all, you can create numerous streams of revenue. Once again, our focus will be on watching videos. So if you want to earn money by merely watching movies, be sure to stick with me and follow my instructions in this video. I want you to scroll to the bottom of this page so you can see this. Note, some of these offers are only available for a limited time, so try to do them as soon as possible. Make sure to complete these offers if you want to earn extra cash. However, if all of you want to do is earn money by watching videos, just scroll to the bottom of this page and click the I'm done with this page button. You will then be taken to your account. This is the GG2U website's dashboard. After I opened the free account, they gave me $1 for free. And after my balance reaches $7, I can start withdrawing money. You can see there are a ton of other companies and offers available as I scroll down below, such as AdGem, Peanut Labs, AdGate Media, and OfferToro. These are all pretty well-known businesses that provide you with some special offers you can take advantage of to start earning money. For instance, participating in completing surveys, downloading apps, watching videos, etc. Simply click on any of these companies to complete the offers and begin earning money. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. Let me give you another illustration of this. When you click on the AdSense media icon, you will be taken to the company's official website where you can complete further offers to make money online. To get money, you can download mobile apps, complete free trials, and complete surveys. On just one website, there are a ton of chances available all at once. Simply click on this video button to begin earning money by watching videos. Every video you watch can reward you between $1 and $3, as stated here. Autoplay video. For every 200 video points that you earn, you'll receive a silver token which will add $1 up to $3 to your account balance. Every single video you can earn about $1 up to $3. When you scroll down below, you can see earn video points by simply completing any one of these videos. You can watch videos about food, some viral videos, and chillax videos while making money online on these various channels. For instance, you can see there are several videos here as you scroll down below. You can also click the Load More offers to reveal unlimited videos that you can watch to keep earning money repeatedly. For example, you select this Hideout TV Chillax. You can access this page by clicking on the orange button. You can start watching videos on Hideout TV and earning money online from there. This video, which lasts for 4 minutes and 21 seconds, has a potential earnings range of $1 to $3. I'll share a bonus tip with you so you can increase your online revenue. I want you to go ahead and select the lowest settings, which is 240 pixels, when you click on the gear settings. The reason I'm asking you to choose the lowest setting is that when watching on a computer or a phone, it's better to click on a variety of videos and channels. Watch them all simultaneously in the background if you want to increase your earnings by 3 or even 5 times. It is a smart move for you to select the lowest setting because they all at once use a lot of data and our internet speed. This is the first and most important piece of advice I want to give you. Next, I'll give you a second tip. You can see viral video channel up next in the section on the right. You can pick one of the other videos to watch here, and by doing so, you can earn bonuses of up to $2 or $4 for each video. Make sure you watch the videos now and watch them through to the very end. Watch the entire video to earn the point and convert it into real money. I'll share the last bonus point with you. Even more videos that you can watch are available when you click on this arrow button. Every single one of these videos has an additional 7 videos available when you click the arrow button. You can watch a total of 7 bonus videos to make extra money online on either your iPhone or Android phone. In any case, you can make money with this opportunity at no cost using any device. After you have done watching these 7 bonus videos, simply click the next button. As you can see, there are 9 bonus videos available to watch. This is an excellent method for you to keep watching videos repeatedly and earn a lot of money online. You can simply switch to watching the next channel and further videos when you've finished watching one channel. You can only watch so many videos while earning money after all, and that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video!